Let us talk about the muscle loss lie that could be putting you on a fast track to a nursing home. I am going to expose why regular protein stops working after age 60 and reveal a specific type of protein that research shows is up to 9 times more effective at rebuilding muscle, even after 65. This is critical because muscle loss, or sarcopenia, isn't just about feeling weak. It dramatically increases your risk of falls, hip fractures, losing your independence, and even an earlier death. Your aging body needs a completely different strategy to get stronger, and I'm going to show you exactly what that is. Let me start with a terrifying medical fact. After you turn 60, you can lose up to 3% of your muscle every single year. That means by the time you're 70, a third of your strength could already be gone. The scariest part is that most seniors have no idea it's happening until one day they suddenly can't climb the stairs, struggle to get up from a chair, or worse, they fall and never fully recover. Studies show that 1 out of every 3 adults over 65 falls each year, and muscle loss is the number one reason why. But today, I am going to expose a dangerous lie you've been told about protein and reveal one specific strategy that has been proven to rebuild muscle after 65, 70, and beyond. Stay with me, because this information could literally keep you walking, independent, and out of a nursing home. To understand this, we need to look at the work of Dr. Stuart Phillips, one of the world's leading researchers in aging and muscle health. He has dedicated over 25 years to studying muscle loss in older adults and has published over 300 scientific papers. His research is used in hospitals and universities worldwide. In clinical studies involving thousands of seniors, his team discovered something incredible. Most older adults are eating protein, but their bodies can no longer use it properly. This is why simply eating more chicken or having another egg often doesn't make you stronger after 60. Your body isn't getting the right message. So, what's actually happening inside your body as you age? When you're young, your muscles respond easily to the protein you eat. You eat, and your muscles repair and rebuild. But after 60, a condition called anabolic resistance starts to set in. Think of it like this. Your muscles become deaf to the signals from protein. You now need a much stronger, louder signal to trigger that muscle growth. The protein you've been eating your whole life barely moves the needle anymore. At the same time, your nerves weaken, your hormones decline, and the little powerhouses in your cells, your mitochondria, slow down. This creates the perfect storm for sarcopenia, the silent muscle killer. Now, let's debunk 3 of the biggest mistakes that accelerate this decline. The first mistake is thinking, I eat enough protein already. The scientific danger here is that most seniors eat protein, but not the right kind or at the right time. Research shows over 70% of seniors fail to trigger muscle protein synthesis even with what is considered a normal protein intake. Take the story of Robert, a 72-year-old who ate eggs and chicken daily. Despite his efforts, he still felt weaker every year. Why? Because his muscles simply couldn't absorb and use that protein effectively anymore. The second huge mistake is believing walking is enough exercise. Walking is fantastic for your heart, but it does not stop muscle loss. In fact, studies show that seniors who only walk can lose up to 40% more leg strength compared to those who combine resistance training with the proper protein strategy. Margaret, a 68-year-old, walked every single morning. She felt good, but after 2 years, she was still struggling to stand up from her favorite armchair. Walking wasn't building the strength she needed to stay independent. The third and most dangerous mistake is accepting the idea that muscle loss is just a normal part of aging. This belief is a direct path to frailty, falls, and disability. It's not an inevitable fate. It's a condition, and it's a serious one. Sarcopenia doubles the risk of being hospitalized and triples the risk of life-altering fractures. Believing it's just normal is giving up the fight before it even begins. So, what is the solution? It's a strategy I call the 9x stronger protein strategy. The secret lies in a single amino acid, leucine. Leucine is the master switch that turns muscle growth back on in an aging body. It sends that loud, clear signal your muscles have been waiting for. The most powerful sources of leucine are found in fast-digesting proteins like whey protein isolate, essential amino acid blends, and leucine-enriched protein formulas. The proof is in the science. A major clinical trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors using a leucine-rich protein had up to 9 times greater muscle protein synthesis compared to those consuming regular protein. 9 times the muscle building power from the same amount of protein. Another study showed that in just 12 weeks, seniors using this strategy improved their strength, increased their walking speed, and found it easier to get up from a chair. So here is the exact daily action plan you can start today. Step 1 is the protein type. You need to use a whey protein isolate or a leucine-enriched protein. Look at the label and make sure it has between 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine per serving. That's the magic number. Step 2 is timing. This is crucial. Take 1 serving at breakfast to kickstart your day and stop overnight muscle breakdown. Then, take another serving right after some light resistance exercise to fuel recovery and growth. Step 3 is food support. Supplement your diet with other great protein sources. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, fish, and cottage cheese. These foods provide a steady supply of building blocks for your body throughout the day. And step 4 involves simple strength movements. You need to do this 3 times a week. It doesn't have to be a heavy gym workout. Simple chair stands, where you stand up and sit down from a sturdy chair 10 times. Wall push-ups, where you lean against a wall and push yourself back. And resistance band rows, where you sit and pull a band towards your chest. These movements tell your muscles it's time to get stronger. If you are over 60 and you are serious about staying strong, independent, and out of the hospital, I want you to do 3 things right now. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your age and tell me if weakness or fatigue is your biggest problem. This channel is 100% dedicated to senior health, strength, and living a long, vibrant life. Your engagement helps me create more content that can help you and thousands of others just like you. Let me leave you with this final truth. Muscle is not just about strength. Muscle is independence. Muscle is freedom. Muscle is the difference between living life on your own terms at home and being dependent on others in a nursing home. You are not too old to rebuild muscle. Your body has not forgotten how. It just needs the right signal. And now, you know exactly what that signal is. Subscribe to this channel because in my upcoming videos, I'll show you how to protect your joints, how to boost your memory, how to control blood pressure naturally, and how to continue getting stronger after 60, 70, and even 80. The journey to a stronger you starts now. Thank you so much for watching. Stay strong and stay independent.